Hello, good morning. I finished my achievement accounting and inventory, manufacturing, HR. It's a comprehensive system for whole process. We have a chart of account, we have item card, we have everything sales, purchase, expenses, inventory transfer, and we have also manufacturing. We have employee if we need to add employee. We have salary calculation, pay slip, employee report, add a property. If any property you need to add calculation, automatically the depreciation will calculate based on the useful life, based on the depreciation method. Also, we have a revaluation for asset disposal and GR report. We have inventory stocks. We have inventory ledger. We have P&L statement. We have balance sheet statement, trial balance, etc., etc. Everything. Okay. In the report, we have everything literally. So this system, very, very comprehensive system. And if you have anything, just drop comments for me, okay, in this post. Thank you so much.